How to fix text notification sound not working on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, so turn on notification sound. After turn on notification sound, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and click on messages app and click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all setting, enter phone pin and click on reset. So it just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix text notification sound not working on Realme Narzo 19x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.